Hi there, crafters. It's Sheila with SheilaStamps.net, and today we are using the stamp set Here's to Strong Women, and this is a sweet little card we're making today. Let's get started. Okay, so we are going to be using Here's to Strong Women, and we're going to be using You've Got This, Girl. So I'm going to bring in my Big Shot. And I have my rectangle stitched framelits and a piece of pineapple punch and a piece of whisper white. I'm just going to make my sandwich and run that through. Alright, so we'll put those aside. And then I have my stamp mounted on clear block I. And I'm just going to come in with a lovely lipstick. And I'm going to get this whisper white here and ink this up real good. Alright, and then we'll put this in the center. So just like that, that's all the stamping that we're doing. And our card base is lovely lipstick and it is cut at 8.5 by 5.5, and I scored it at 4 1/4. And I also have a piece of the In Color Designer Series paper, and I'm going to just put this down with some snail. You need to make sure that you get these in colors before they're gone. I'm going to put our sentiment down with some snail as well. And we're mounting that on the pineapple punch. Just like that. I'm going to bring in some Stampin' Dimensionals. And let's see, I want it over here in the corner. And then I have the Happiness Blooms enamel dots. And let's see, I think I'm going to come in with the blueberry bushel. Kind of tie that all in together. And I'm using the bigger ones on this one. Alright, so there you have it. A quick and simple card to give somebody to encourage them. Thanks for watching. And if you need any of these supplies, please click on my online store. It's in the YouTube description below. Bye!